Grand Rising, Self-Forgiveness, The Journey to Healing, Ohana, and Collective. Happy Tuesday, February 21st. Blue and I are on our morning walk, but later on today, I'm going to have an announcement for you guys about Blue, and I'm going to open up the comments to see if you like the idea that I came up with. Okay, so I hope you guys are having a beautiful rising, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of the day it is that you fall upon this short. Have a great and blessed day. Be kind to yourselves. Be kind to each other. Make sure you're getting out in nature. Hug a tree. Ashe, bless, homage. Later, Gators.